Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find live station information in Indian Railways. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on live station info down below, and now you can just enter here the station name, and after that you can just press on the arrow symbol that is pointing to the right side, and you will be able to check the live station status like that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.